Hi, now I'm gonna show you how to make hot chili oil. The ingredient you need, just two ingredients, is chili flake and oil. It's vegetable oil, you can use any vegetable oil. Okay, we're gonna start the heat. For the heat, we use low heat because if you use high heat, it's easy to burn your chili. I'm gonna use low heat. Okay. You will add your chili first and roast them a bit before you add the oil. Stir them a bit. Let them get the heat first, and after that we're gonna add oil. You will let it heat about 1.5 minutes, and after that we will add the oil. Okay, now it's about 1.5 minutes. Then next we're gonna add our oil. Put the oil in. Mix them together. You will keep stirring them until you see that your oil changed the color to orange. And you get the smell from the chili. Okay, this is good. Now my chili smell really good, and the oil is already turned the color to orange, and this is done.